What's up, everybody? Welcome and happy Saturday to all you beautiful people. Welcome to Trader's Choice Crypto and Precious Metals. What a week we have had for both asset classes. We're going to dive into that. First thing is first, my name is Kian. And if you're new here, please make sure you're subscribed to this channel. And if you want daily crypto content, I'm going to leave a link in the description to my own channel. I've been doing daily crypto market updates starting this past Monday through Friday. So please do check that out. I want to thank everybody who has supported me thus far. It means the world to me. And I am going to do a giveaway at 3,000 subscribers. So I will leave that link in the description below. We had El Salvador officially adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. Now this is monumental. I don't care what the price action of BTC did and cryptocurrencies did. This is a historic moment. I don't think Satoshi Nakamoto, when he first created Bitcoin, or anybody who first heard about Bitcoin, for Bitcoin to get this far, it is truly a financial innovation ahead of its time. And I'm so excited to see where else it goes. We have Ukraine talking about legalizing Bitcoin, Panama, Paraguay. So all these countries are looking at cryptocurrencies as a currency alternative, which is freaking beautiful. 21 million Bitcoins ever. You know, it's not like the Fed, printing all the time. So let's talk about what happened first. I was watching the Bitcoin dominance chart. It was on the rise. I thought this was going to be a very bullish moment for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as a whole, but unfortunately it wasn't. Now there are two speculations. One is some people are saying that it was because of mass liquidations, but two, some people are saying it is market manipulation. The people who are part of the freak show, as Greg calls them, these guys aren't the biggest fans of cryptocurrencies. This is something very important to keep in mind. Not just cryptocurrencies, like the IMF was not a fan of El Salvador adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. Now, someone dumped on the market, okay? Somebody dumped on the market and it caused over-leveraged traders to be liquidated. And so we saw a very big pullback when it comes to BTC. Now, I got a couple of things about this. One, great opportunity. This is a great opportunity to buy this dip. Number two, September has historically been known as a not so bullish month for cryptocurrencies. So keep that in mind. I'm excited for October though. And then third, this is an opportunity. Okay, it's an opportunity. Okay, we've had since August, Bitcoin has rallied 75%. We have to pull back a little. Pullbacks are bullish. You guys know this. And so from this pullback, I believe there's great opportunity to add to your positions all across the board. We had freaking cryptos like Solana. Excuse my language, but damn, God, like Solana was just killing it. It's been killing it. Finally, we're seeing a pullback happen. So I'm eyeing Solana, and this is a great opportunity to get into Solana. So the pullback, bullish. The sentimental analysis, which I cover on my daily crypto videos, of the fear and greed index, we are officially in fear territory. Beautiful. I say beautiful. Cryptos are going much higher. I don't expect the bull run to end until 2021. So this is a great time to get greedy. You know, we got to do the opposite of what everybody else is doing. And so these are things that I've always talked about with you guys. This month, regulations is very important to keep our eye out, and regulatory bodies such as the SEC. Speak of the devil, SEC. Okay, so these guys threatened to sue Coinbase earlier in the week, in the middle of the week, because Coinbase is rolling out this lending program which allows qualified lenders to receive a 4% yield on the USDC that they lend. This is beautiful because it keeps everything in the Coinbase system. You don't need to connect your bank anymore. but you still need to do an KYC for that, I believe. And so, but the program hasn't even rolled out. But the SEC threatened to sue these guys, which raises an eyebrow. You know, there's been a lot of a lot of eyebrow raising recently in the crypto markets, guys, because of just certain things that I'm seeing that I'm like, there's something funky going on here. Much like the ETF that is going to be the deadline for this ETF, Bitcoin ETF, specifically a futures-backed Bitcoin ETF. The deadline for it got pushed for its approval to November 16th or 19th. I forgot, one of those two, but mid-November. And so it could be very bullish in the short term for Bitcoin, but at the same time, I find it very ironic that Gary Gensler and the SEC are like, no, we're not going to do an ETF that is actually backed by cryptos. We're going to do it with the futures, with an ETF that is backed by the futures market. I talked to Greg about this too. Me and him had a good conversation about this, and this could potentially mirror what we have seen in the precious metals market, which again raises an eyebrow. I don't like to see these things. Personally, I don't want to think about them, but this is something that we got to keep our eyes on. Fortunately, there is always, when there's a will, there is a way. And I think my light turned off, but I'm going to keep doing this video. I've shot this video like 6 times. I don't know what it is. My camera keeps failing on me, but I'm not giving up. We're going to move forward, guys. My face just won't be super lit and shiny. Anyways, let's keep it moving. So it does scare me that these things are happening, but in my opinion, and as Greg always says, they play their game, we play ours. My promise to you is to provide value and also to keep you ahead of the curve, especially with the whole daily crypto updates that I've started. I'm seeing the patterns. I'm seeing the matrix codes to this game that we are playing, and I do believe there are ways to hack the crypto markets through indicators as well, much like Greg has been doing with the regular stock markets and keeping you guys on the right side of things. Of course, we can't stop any abysmal pieces of news floating out and fucking everything up, but we will do our best each and every day as long as we are right most of the time. And yes, I am quoting Greg. Shout out to Greg if he's watching this. So that is it for cryptocurrencies, guys. Keep the blue chips at hand. We're going much higher. By October, we are going to break new all-time highs. This is a guaranteed. Once we get past this month, past September. This is like a dreaded month in the crypto industry. So let's move forward to precious metals, guys. Precious metals did not have such a great week either, but my overall opinion and thoughts about precious metals will never change, and that is the fact that they are an excellent wealth preservation tool, guys. It's been like that forever. These are timeless pieces. These are timeless stores of value. And so it doesn't matter if we see a big pullback. One day we will look back and say, thank God we were on the right side of history, because the debt bubble will eventually burst. And you'll be very happy when it does, if you invested in anti-debt units of wealth, which includes precious metals and cryptocurrencies. Yes, cryptocurrencies are volatile. They are the riskiest asset class, but more risk, more reward. And we got to look at the big picture. This is not just financial gains we're talking about. This is technology, blockchain technology, smart contracts that can revolutionize the world that we are living in. And I always say this, the revolution will not be centralized. And because of NFTs, things like NFTs, we've seen a renaissance, a boom in creativity, in art, and all that good stuff. And you better believe, if you're an artist out there or a creator, you have to educate yourself and capitalize. I promise you, you will not regret it. Fuck all that centralized shit. fuck every entity out there that is undervaluing artists and their creativity. I'm telling you, you guys need to get on the right side of history. And excuse my passion. I got super passionate there. I don't usually curse that much, but I feel very passionate about these subjects. So that's it, guys. That is the end of this week's video. Keep stacking those precious metals. Diamond hands when it comes to those cryptocurrencies. You know the game. You know what we're doing. You know what you're doing. And eventually we will see the fruits of our labors, if not already, if I'm being quite honest. So with that said, guys, if you enjoyed this video and found quality and insight in it, please hit the thumbs up, show some love. I truly do appreciate your guys' support. And make sure you're subscribed to this channel as well as my channel, as I'm doing daily crypto updates and more content as well, which I'm very, very excited about. But at the minimum, daily crypto updates, live streaming it so you can come in and pick my brain and ask questions on the spot. And that is about it, my friends. You guys have a blessed weekend, and sending you guys so much love and gratitude and wishing you abundance. You guys take care, and I'll see you very soon.